Alright, we'll be changing the oscillator block, which one is shorted for a old Harris Faranon DBM microwave. This is a receive oscillator. We're going to be changing out this whole block, so that's a real. I'm going to show you how to do that and change the crystal into the new block. It's coming up. These screws out and disassemble it, and remove the screws from the bottom, and remove the block, and then add it to the new block. Take the crystal out of this one, put it in the new one, and then swap it out. Okay, now that those screws are out, we have to disconnect the circulator here, and it connects the block. The 70 meg output goes in here. So now we got to disconnect this with a 5/16 inch wrench, and that will free up the block and the assembly from the main board. So now we got to remove these 4 screws here in order to get the block and the plates out. Okay, now that it's removed from the board, we got to take these 4 screws out here. Get to the crystal. We got to remove the crystal that's inside here so we can put them into the new block. Okay, now that we got the assembly exposed. Under this padding here, this foam, is the oscillator. This is a heater, and under this lid here is the crystal. So we'll remove this lid here, and you'll see the crystal next. Okay, now that it's removed the cover, here's the crystal here. And we're going to take the crystal out, and we're going to disassemble the other block, and we're going to put it insert it into the other one. Okay, this is the crystal here, as you can see. Looks like a transistor, but that's the crystal. With the 3 pins in it, and you have to line up those 3 pins with the 3 holes in here. Which we already took the crystal out of here, and we inserted it into the new block. So once this goes into the receiver, we're going to have to let this warm up and then retune it on to net it on for frequency. So we're going to put this old crystal into this other block so we can send it out for repair. Okay, the crystals are in. Always make sure you put these covers back on. That helps maintain the temperature of these ovens so the crystals are stable. And then also make sure you put your little cushions back on also. And then make sure you don't mix these up, put the wrong one in, and have to go through the whole process of, oh, I put the wrong block in, I put the old one back in. Alright, this is the bad one. I'm going to move it out of the way, then reassemble this and put it together and see what happens. Alright, there we go. Completely reassembled. The new crystal, the new block, and hopefully that'll cure the problem. We're going to plug it in and we'll find out. But then once it's warmed up, we'll have to net it right on frequency. Okay, it's reinstalled. We got the cables, we got our voltages are right on the money. And our frequency is right on the money. That's it. Looks like it worked. That's it for this short video. Catch you on the next one.